Hi Gemini, this is your next 10 days reading. I am taking today's date, that is 15th of September to the 24th of September. I'll be taking the period of these 10 days and see how the energies are going to affect you. The energies which we have inside, the energies which surround us, the energies which keep on coming in because of planetary transitions, because of certain things which happen around us. These energies come in, these energies keep coming in and they keep affecting us. So I will be seeing those energies, I'll be seeing those energies through the symbols which are available in the tarot card. As I pray for you and I get those cards which jump out of the decks, and I clarify them again and see that most of them match, so then I convey this message to you. So I will be giving some tips on these changes which are going to come to you, and you will be able to see these changes when you go ahead in your next 10 days or 20 days, 30 days. Some of the things come in late, some of the things. So as a tarot person, I am just going to explain this or give you the signs, give you the symbols of these things and explain it to you. So the first card which came out from the Angels Oracle deck, this is a message deck which on which the message is printed, and I have to read it out. So the card which came out is God is your source. Everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. So, this is your message for the next 10 days, that God is your source, and God, you should have faith on God and its ways, how it works. So, the first energy which I see is of the King of Swords. This is your own energy. You are a air sign, so this is the air sign king. So sword energy is your energy, Geminis. So this king is your energy. So you are showing up as King of Swords. So the King of Swords is kind of a person who has lot of logic, has lot of analysis. This person does all his decisions. Whenever he takes a decision, he takes a decision with lot of logic. So this person is very smart. This person can keep his or her empire together, and this person is kind of a leader who is quiet, who is smart, who is intellectual. So this is your energy in these next 10 days. So this will be applying to all of you Geminis. This energy is then clarified by the High Priestess and clarified by the Seven of Swords. So this is telling us that there are some secrets around you. So the energy of the High Priestess could be that this king, though he has this logical brain, this the energy of High Priestess is saying that, number one, this king will now uh, have some confidence at on his gut feeling or her gut feeling. So there will be intuition coming in with the logical mind. So there will be a combination of intuition and the logical mind, because something is happening around you which is hidden. Something is happening around you which is a cause of concern. Something has happened in the recent past, or something caused some disturbance in the recent past, which is making you cautious, which is making you see things in a different manner. So the King of Swords definitely has his or her logic, but the High Priestess comes in, and the High Priestess is your intuition. So your intuition is combining with your logic, and it is asking you, the angels, the guides, they are advising you, the tarot is advising you to look at the danger or the deception around you. This could be a caution that please watch your back, please be aware of danger, please be aware of people who are causing who have some strategies against you, or who have some hidden agenda. So this is coming out from a certain random energies which I see. The energies of 10 of swords, the energy of 5 of wands, and the energy of 2 of swords. So this is something is happening in your life which is causing a lot of struggle, which is causing delays, which is causing unnecessary trouble and tension for you. And you were already in this situation of backstab mode. You were feeling cheated, you felt that you have been taken advantage of, you are feeling defeated in a fight. So you are already at the crossroad with a certain relationship, with a job, with a certain issue in your general life. So this is a general life reading, so there can be anything. It can be connected to your job, it can be connected to your love life, or it can be connected to anything with your parents or any relation or anything, a certain situation in your own life where nobody else is there, but it is your own mind. So you something you are waiting for which is not coming in, or something like that. So you will be at the crossroad, you will be taking a decision with your gut instinct, that is the high priestess energy, the king of swords, your logical energy, and the 7 of swords is watching your back, trying to take yourself out of certain mess or certain situation, extricate yourself with expertise, some skill, or beware of people who are scheming against you. So this is the kind of energy I see you in the next 10 days. Then your situation is improving, because I see the 6 of cups. 6 of cups means that there is going to be certain offer, or somebody from the past, or someone, your soulmate, some loved one will offer you love. There will be purity and innocence in a relationship. You will be looking at your past and drawing inspiration. Something will open up for you, some way will be open for you. And the Knight of Pentacles is coming in. This night is very slow night, or you could be in relation with someone who is of the earth energy, who is a person who is very dependable, who is very strong, who is stable. So you will be having a 6 of cups relation with this person or someone. This could be anybody, this could be someone who is supporting you, someone who is around you, who is giving you stability, who is giving you love, who is giving you a soulmate kind of relation. I also see the Empress energy. The Empress energy is someone or something, some energy which is giving you an opportunity to love, because love is coming in with 6 of cups, love is coming in with the Empress. So something nurturing, something caring, a beautiful kind of loving relationship can start happening for you in the next 10 days. So despite your problems in general life regarding someone scheming against you, this relationship will be innocent, this relationship will be good. So this is something which is good, which is pure, which is happening for you, something substantial, something. This can also relate to a job which is regarding beauty, which is regarding luxury, which is regarding something, or some accumulation of wealth or asset, some abundance which is coming in, which will fill you with beauty, charm, love, which will make you happy and satisfied in your life. So this is coming in for you. I see you as you go forward, reversing 8 of swords. This means that something good will happen, which will make you feel lighter, which will make you feel that you don't deserve to be guilty. You don't deserve to be guilty. You don't deserve to be in a certain situation wherein people are making you feel guilty. People are putting you in a trap. People are trying to entrap you in a certain thing or relation or some bad thing which is around you. So you will be reversing that. You will be taking yourself out of that. Any kind of mental entrapment which is causing you worry, distress, or anxiety, you will come out of it. You will come out of self beatings, harshness regarding yourself. So you will be understanding your self-worth. You will be working on yourself, and you will be coming out of your Eight of Swords energy, which is actually your mental energy, and which takes you towards self-sabotage. So you will be coming out of that energy, and I see you progressing. I see two sixes after that, Six of Wands and Six of Pentacles. This means you will be having a victory over a certain thing. You will be having a victory over an obstacle or a crisis which was plaguing you in your life. You will be able to take a decision, like I saw the Two of Swords. So you were on the crossroads, but you will take a decision. You will accept something, some offer will be given to you. You will accept that, come out of some problem and crisis. Maybe you will take help from someone and you will come out of it, because I see you taking help from someone, getting your situation better by balancing your situation, by taking help, taking some charity, some maybe, or giving some charity. You will be involved in that. You will be enjoying a success, a victory, and coming out of your obstructing situation. That's what I see. So as you go forward, you will realize that you were doing something, you were putting in lot of effort into something which was not fetching you the desired result. Some of you were working on something which was detrimental for yourself, or some of you are very, very perfectionist. You are perfectionist, and because of your perfection you sometimes lose sight of the goal. So what is happening is you will be in this reverse pentacle mode. This means that you will be taking stock of a situation, stop the work and look at it, that maybe you're being a perfectionist in love or a perfectionist in a certain job is not fetching you the goal you wanted. So the obsession to be in a perfectionist situation, the obsession of being in a certain situation, or being chained to a certain situation is going to go away. So you will be able to release the burdens of the devil. The devil sometimes chains us, sometimes puts doubts in our minds, makes us over please people, work too much for people. You will be coming out of that energy. You will be coming out of working too much for someone, being codependent on someone, always seeking validation from someone. So this could be in your love life or a toxic relation. You will be chucking that toxic relation. You will be coming out of it, and I see hope and healing. I see you having success in a certain thing. I see you having success and coming out lighter, healed, and in a joyous situation as we go forward. So this is what I have for you, Geminis. I think you are going to have a bit of a turbulent time, but you will be coming out of it victorious with the Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles, balance coming in, and Three of Cups, which is going, and reverse devil, and reverse Ten of Pentacles is not putting in too much effort from your side or seeking validation from someone. You will be a winner in any case. So I see you coming into your own, having your own energy and concentrating on yourself. That's what I see. So that's what is going to happen for you. I hope you resonate with this. If you have, so give me a feedback, and keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.